How are you, my dear buddies? Today I'm somewhere to show you all a product which almost all motorcycle enthusiasts were eagerly waiting for. You know, I won't reveal the thing now because I know that you have already seen this in title or thumbnail, because if I wouldn't have shown it, so you wouldn't have clicked in this video. So I want to say that, so today I'm here to make a video on the smaller sibling of the mighty Bajaj Dominar 400. Yes, you're right, and probably I'm the second guy in India to shoot and upload this video on YouTube on this particular day. So I'm the second because yes, I made a YouTube search and there was only one blog of a person who made it in Mumbai. Sorry, of an individual, because big companies like Motorbeam and Zigwheels have already made a video on it yesterday. So today I'm gonna shoot this video along with you guys and show you the all new Dominar 250. Stay tuned. आप सबको एक एड्रेस दे देता हूँ कि बजाज ऑटोमोबाइल्स कहाँ है. इन केस यू वांट टू बुक और परचेज द ऑल न्यू डोमिनार 250, यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम आसनसोल बजाज. या तो गूगल में डाल लो, अगर नहीं मिला तो देखो पेंटालून से मेरा पीछे रीगल प्लाजा, तो जस्ट रीगल प्लाजा के पूरे अपोजिट में है हमारा ये बजाज ऑटोमोबाइल. तो अंदर चल के दिखते हैं सिनेमैटिक्स. So guys, finally इंतजार की घड़ी खत्म and I am going to reveal the all new Dominar 250. Here it is. दिखा रहा हूँ, गुस्सा मत करा. 2 मिनट, 2 मिनट नहीं, hardly 2 seconds according to YouTube. मेरे लिए 2 मिनट. So finally, here is the baby Dominar. That is the sibling of the mighty Dominar 400. Can you please come a bit closer? So this comes with a lush red color, which is basically, you can see this color in Ducati. It's not a totally patent color, but it's almost similar to that. You can also see that this particular thing is the BS6 model, and it comes almost identical to the BS4 Dominar 400. It has dual exhaust. The exhaust valves are a little bit thinner than that of the Dominar 400. The rear tire is, I guess it is a 120 section. Let me have a check once. Okay, so the rear tire is 130 and the Dominar 400 comes with a 150 tire rear section. And so this is the 250 logo. This side you can see almost identical to the new Dominar 400. So the power figures of this particular machine is not yet disclosed on any website. It is not yet confirmed. Yes, you may see a lot of leaks on different types of websites, but nothing is confirmed regarding the power of this new Dominar 250. So let me tell you that this comes with the same engine like that of the Duke 250. So you can expect almost a similar power to that of a Duke 250. Like, if you can you come a bit closer? If you have ridden the Duke 390 2017 plus model and the Dominar 400 UG, so you may have noticed the similarity between both the bikes. The Dominar comes with a little more linear power and the Duke comes with a little more aggressive power than that of the Dominar. So in this particular bike, the same thing exists, but in comparison with the baby Duke 250. So another thing regarding the on-road price. So probably the on-road price in West Bengal will be somewhere around 1,70,000 to 1,90,000 rupees, because the price has not been yet officially revealed. Yes, it will be around 1,90,000 roughly, if you consider it means in all types of in all types. And okay, let's talk about the maintenance of this particular bike. Although no one has yet means no individual has yet taken delivery of this particular bike or made a servicing, but still we'll get a small idea of the service cost of the new Dominar 250. So the service cost of this particular machine will roughly cost you around 1000 to 1500 rupees depending upon the rider and the parts that you change. Means the average will be around 1000 to 1500 rupees, and you can also expect a mileage of around 35 in the city, and almost you can also get 40 in the highways depending upon your riding style. So let me tell you one more thing, that many have concerned that is the Dominar 250 underpowered, as we all know that the Dominar 400 is a little bit of heavy machine. So now let me show you, and I want to tell you that something, that this particular Dominar is based on the ergonomics of the Dominar 400 only. All the dimensions are almost equal to that of that machine, but the weight is actually the weight is very lighter than the Dominar 400. But yes, obviously it is heavier than the Duke 250. Can I come a bit closer once? Okay, so it is heavier than the Duke 250, but you can expect a good mileage in this machine. Let me tell you why. People often tour with Avenger 150. I have seen people touring in India with the particular Avenger 150 or 180. People also take Duke 200. So keeping a 200cc bike for a touring purpose is not at all a bad idea. So yes, you can choose this machine if you want to tour, if you have a little less budget, and if you don't want that extra powerful machine and you don't like it. Obviously this will also be fast. It will be around, it will come with a top speed of around 140 or so. You can expect, yes, it will be around 140. And another thing, which I just forgot to tell you right now, that the maintenance of this Dominar, when you will tour with it, will be comparatively cheaper than that of the Dominar 400. So I would say this will be a very good machine for daily commute also, if you love to daily commute with a big kind of machine which looks good and feels good. So, as you have seen in my earlier vlogs, that the Dominar 400 looks like a 600cc machine. Means people cannot judge it if you take it to a rural place or something by modifying it with different kinds of accessories and all. So this was all about the video, and I'll bring a test drive video and the pros and cons of this bike soon. So stay tuned and do subscribe if you haven't did yet, and if you have subscribed, do check out the bell icon and hit it if you haven't did so. Bye bye. Now it's time for the exhaust note of this Dominar 250. I know many guys in this video have clicked just to have the exhaust note of this bike. So let me turn the ignition on. It does come with the same bass that which you feel with the Dominar 400. Yes, this sound is also bassy, and I guess you will love the sound. I know this is BS6, and many guys like me don't like BS6 engines. They are insecure that will the bike be underpowered or not, will the new Dominar 400 be underpowered or not. Like we have all noticed power decrease in the KTM Duke 390. So nothing to worry about. It will be the same machine. You may see a little more less aggressiveness in this machine, but it will suit all of your needs, and I don't think so that this particular machine will disappoint you.